Nature is an Artist by Jennifer Lavallee and Natalia Colombo. Nature is an artist, skilled beyond compare. Look at its creations in the water, earth and air. We can all be artists, nature shows us how. So many styles to choose from. Let's get started now. With a splash of colour, nature paints a scene. Hills against the sunrise, gold and rose and green. We finger paint a picture, dab daisies in a field. Thumbprint bees and shaggy trees, a lazy day revealed. Summer flowers scatter, petals all around. Nature makes a fine collage on the grassy ground. We pick slips of paper, then one by one, we paste them down in order. Our masterpiece is done. Nature is a sculptor, moulding rock and clay. Wind and rain and water carve slowly day by day. We too make sculptures, packing sand, and soon our towers are so tall they seem to reach the moon. Nature etches artwork waiting to be found, fossilized impressions hidden underground. We create like nature by stamping on a sheet, stars and swirls and circles, press with paint, repeat. Nature makes a rainbow of colours splashed up high. Rain and sun together form stained glass in the sky. We tear shapes from tissue to decorate a jar. Inside we put a tea light that twinkles like a star. Deserts, oceans, sunsets, mountains topped with snow. Nature's always making, the world is its art show. At home along the mantel, we treasure our keepsakes, celebrating every day all that nature makes.